I got the purple color of these headphones for this review, which I think is feminine and pretty cool. Starting with the packaging and the items in the box. The headphones come in a familiar JBL package for their headphones, and inside the box you will get the usual short length orange color Type-C charging cable for charging the headphones, an aux cable, the JBL quick start guide, you will get the safety and warranty card, and then the Tune 770NC headphones wrapped in this soft white branded fabric. These headphones are currently sold for $110 on Amazon, but you can get them for between 130,000 to 140,000 naira if you are buying them here in Nigeria. They look exactly like the Tune 760NC I reviewed here on this channel a few months ago. The design looks so much alike that you can easily mistake one for the other. They are made of mostly plastic, which I think is ideal for headphones as the weight also determines how long one gets to comfortably wear them. The plastic feels sturdy, so you shouldn't worry about it breaking easily. The ear cups are well cushioned with a soft leather exterior. The headrest is also well padded. The extenders and the hinges are also made of plastic. The ear cups have an oval-like shape that covers your entire ears, which also adds to the overall comfort. But this heavily determines on the shape and size of your head and ears. While using the headphones, they are comfortable on me, but this might not be the case with someone with a larger head or ears, as they might give an uncomfortable tight fit. The ear cups swivel and also fold, making them easy to lay flat when not in use and easy to pack in a bag. The control buttons are on the right ear cups, including the USB-C charging ports. They are rightly positioned for easy access. We have the power button, the ambient aware button / noise cancellation button, the ports for the aux cable, the volume control buttons, and the voice assistant. The buttons are tactile, so you can easily tell what you are pressing without having to look, which adds to the overall user experience. With Bluetooth 5.3, connecting these headphones to my phone was easy and fast, and the listening distance is impressive. I was able to leave my phone in the studio while walking in and around the house without them disconnecting. It also has the multi-point connection that allows you to pair these headphones to two devices at the same time while taking turns to play from both devices. When it comes to the sound quality of these headphones, over the years, JBL has been known for their signature sound, and the Tune 770NC is not an exception. With the renowned JBL Pure Bass sound, these headphones are on a bass forward profile, so if you're a fan of deep bass, you would definitely love these headphones. For heavy bass sound like hip hop, the low end is punchy and powerful. For more acoustic and classical music, the bass may feel a bit too dominant. The vocals are clear, distinct and sharp, and you can pick up on details in your music. It has very low latency, so there are no issues when it comes to audio-video lag. Also, you can tweak and customize the sound to suit your preference using the JBL Sound app, which I'll be talking about later in this video, so keep watching. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, this is a good time to hit that subscribe button to show your support. Moving on to the noise cancellation. These headphones have the smart adaptive noise cancellation technology, and from my experience while using the headphones with the ANC on, the noise cancelling performance is solid. It blocks out most low frequency sounds like the air condition, engine or fan noise, or just general background hum. In a quieter environment, it works well enough to keep you focused on your music, your calls, or whatever you are using the headphones for. That said, if you're in a really loud environment like in an open market or on public transit, the ANC might not completely eliminate all the noise, which to me is okay and not a big deal. In fact, for the price, the ANC is impressive. It's also worth mentioning that while using the headphones with the aux cable, you can still use the ANC if you want. However, I noticed it somehow affects the sound quality a little bit. Now, let's talk about the JBL Sound app, which is one of the best aspects of these headphones. Connecting these headphones to the app takes your experience to another level, as the app is packed with interesting features to help you customize your sound to suit your mood or personality. From the app, you can know the exact battery percentage of the headphones, and you can also turn off the headphones using the app. There is the ambient sound control button that once you enable allows you to seamlessly switch between the noise cancellation, ambient aware and talk through. So with this, you can confidently switch to the noise cancellation mode when you want to block out your background noise, or switch to the ambient aware mode when you want to hear your surroundings while still enjoying your music, or switch to the talk through mode when you want to be part of a conversation and hear others without having to take off your headphones. There is also the smart audio and video button that when enabled allows you to switch the headphones to audio mode when listening to music, or switch to video mode when watching videos for a better sound experience. The app also offers a customizable EQ. There are a few preset options like the jazz, bass boost and vocal boost to match different listening styles. But if you are someone who loves dialing in that perfect sound, there is also a custom EQ option where you can tweak the highs, mids and lows yourself, which is satisfying for audiophiles and casual listeners alike who want their music just right. There are also other features in the app like voice assistant, voice prompts and auto power off that when enabled automatically turns off the headphones when it's idle for more than 30 minutes. In short, the JBL app really makes the Tune 770NC feel more premium and puts more control in your hands, which is always a win. Whether you are tweaking sound settings or managing ANC, everything is right at your fingertips. The battery life is another area where the JBL Tune 770NC shines. On paper, they offer up to 70 hours of playtime with fast charge. It takes about 2 hours to fully charge the headphones, and from my experience using the headphones, the battery is really strong and you can use them for several days before charging them again. In summary, the JBL Tune 770NC is a great value for its price. You are getting solid sound quality, impressive bass, comfortable design, effective ANC and a long battery life, all without breaking the bank. But there are a few trade-offs though, like the ANC not being as loud as some premium models, it is not IP rated, and the mic during calls is not as loud. But these are small issues in the grand scheme. So if you are looking for a reliable pair of headphones with solid performance and some nice extra features like the ANC and multi-point connection, these are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews, and I will see you in my next video.